Hi kids! Wow, look at here. We have too many circles. Let's make this puzzle together. One circle, two circles, three circles, number 4, and number 5, and finally number 6. We have 6 circles. Look at here, we have purple flower. Oh, goes here, right here, and the next one is orange flower. Oh, look at here, so beautiful. And this one is pink flower. Okay, the next one is white. Oh, it's so sweet. Wow, the next one is green. The last one is yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, look at here. We have elephant. Pink elephant. It's look like rectangle. Okay, goes here, and then the next elephant. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's blue elephant. And then yellow elephant. It's look like rectangle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, look at these beautiful stars. Let's count together. 1 star, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. we have apple tree. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 apples. Wow, it's look delicious. Hello. Good job! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. Wow! We have birthday decoration. 1, 2, 3 balloons. Green balloon. Yellow balloon. Pink balloon. Birthday hat. Oh, it looks like triangle. Pink triangle. Purple and blue triangle.